Most people think Empower Cash Advance limits increase randomly. That's where they get it wrong. Here's the truth no one tells you. Your limit is not fixed forever, and it is not based on luck. It is based on your financial behavior inside and outside the app. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to increase your Empower Cash Advance limit in 2026 using real factors that actually matter. Let's start with how Empower decides your limit. Empower connects to your bank account and studies your income pattern, spending habits, and account stability. Based on that data, it assigns a cash advance limit. It can go up or down depending on how your financial behavior changes. For example, Alex started with a small limit. But after a few months of consistent income deposits and stable spending, his limit increased automatically. Now here's where most people fail. They assume using the app more will increase their limit. That is not true. If your financial activity looks risky or unstable, your limit may stay low or even decrease. Now here's where it gets interesting. The first major factor is consistent income. Empower likes to see regular deposits from the same source. If your paycheck comes at random times or irregular amounts, the system may treat it as higher risk. Jake noticed that when he switched to a more consistent pay schedule, his limit started improving over time. The second factor is account balance behavior. If your bank account frequently goes negative or close to zero, Empower may reduce your limit. Maintaining a stable balance helps build trust with the system. In a minute, I'll show you a simple habit that can slowly improve your limit over time. The third factor is spending behavior. High-risk spending patterns or unpredictable transactions can affect your eligibility. Keeping your spending consistent and manageable helps the system see you as more stable. Now here's a simple but powerful strategy. Use Empower regularly for budgeting, even when you don't need a cash advance. The app tracks engagement and financial awareness. Users who actively manage their money inside the app often see better long-term results. But here's the problem. Many users only open the app when they need money. That gives the system very little positive data to work with, which can slow down limit increases. Another important tip is to avoid frequent overdrafts in your bank account. Since Empower reads your bank data, overdrafts signal financial stress, which can limit growth. So let's break it down clearly. To increase your Empower Cash Advance limit, focus on 4 things. Keep a steady income, maintain a healthy bank balance, reduce financial volatility, and use the app consistently for budgeting. The key takeaway is simple. Empower rewards stability, not activity. The more predictable your financial behavior is, the higher your chances of getting a better limit. If this guide helped you understand how it works, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.